Hey y'all, it's Nicole with Living Well Realty. Today I'm out in Green Meadows and Celina to check on this Stonehollow build behind me. So they have prepped for foundation and I'm going to flip this around so we can get a quick look. Awesome. Okay, so this is the basalt plan by Stonehollow, 32 square feet, 4-bed, 3.5 bath. It's gonna have a 3-car garage, an office, a game room, and a media room. Really great plan. So what you're looking at here is you've got form boards around the exterior. Basically acts like a cake pan so that the foundation doesn't just run everywhere when they finally pour it. They've sectioned all of this off and put what looks like, the black trash bag looking stuff. That's the moisture barrier. The blue grid pattern you see out there, that is the rebar. Rebar inside of those, that's a blue plastic coating. And then the plumbing is all dug and trenched in the middle. They've passed all the inspections there, so they are hoping we will get foundation by the end of the week. So yes, the rebar helps reinforce the slab. And then once they pour the slab, if there's any cracks or anything like that, they're able to tie into the rebar and just kind of twist and turn and tighten it, and it closes up any major cracks, and it's pretty cool. Very cool. Anyway, that is it. Looks great. Okay, y'all, that wraps up the tour this week. Really great stuff. Hopefully we'll have foundation by the end of the week, and then before you know it, we'll have frame. Very exciting. If you need anything from me at all, you know how to reach out to me. For those of you tuning in for the first time, I'm Nicole with Living Well Realty, and I'd love to help you with your new construction home. So please reach out via phone call, text, email, or you can schedule a Zoom session with me via the link below. Until next time, y'all, take care and God bless. Bye.